If you're looking for the best way to make money online, click the button below. Making money with Igor Keith's method and affiliate marketing is a process. It takes time to learn the details, create your own campaigns, drive traffic to your websites and earn money. In my experience, it takes an average newbie about 3 to 6 months to master the basics and start seeing results. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that maybe you can't succeed faster with Igor's course. I'm just saying that expecting express results is unrealistic. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy e-farming challenge from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that e-farming challenge actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.